Alright, so we're going to do a quick unboxing video of the Justrite. I believe it's the 2-gallon metal gas container. If you're like me, you've probably used these guys once in a while and found that they work fine for a little bit and then they start leaking almost as much gas as you end up getting into your machine. So I thought I would try one of these Justrite cans, see how they work. There's just a little bit of assembly required. I really like the design of this because you can direct exactly where your gas goes with this articulating spout. Now, I did read somewhere online that when you're putting these together, not to tighten these two screws on this gasket too hard, or it'll have a tendency to leak out of the spout, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. If I remember correctly, I ordered this a little while ago. I just haven't had time to do the unboxing video, but I do recall that it was about $120 Canadian off Amazon to get it here, including the gas can, obviously. These threads are really tight. This feels like it's cross-threaded. Yeah, be very careful putting those screws in. They go in and they feel like they're cross-threaded, and I think they are cross-threading fairly easily. Perfect. So the idea behind this is you can take it to the gas station, fill it up very easily, aim it wherever you want that gas to go, and it has a spout that opens and closes that hopefully won't leak. And I know you can get them in different colors and different sizes. If you're like me, you probably have a mix of 2 and 4 cycle engines, different types of fuel. So the can's fairly expensive. It's a lot more than the regular plastic cans. but it doesn't look like this is going to wear out anytime soon. It looks like you'll get quite a few years of use out of it. Anyway, thanks for joining me.